Aylesford Priory in Kent. And it's the oldest show, the West Kent Veteran Club. So there's bike show, auto jumble, and all the stands run round the back of the show, all against the trees, all the way round. Oh, the finger out the lens. The weather's been sunny this morning, but now we're in the afternoon, it's clouded over. Well, I used to have one of these when I was a youngster, a teenager. Norman 250. Oh, I think this is one of the best Triumphs going. Triumph Trail. Look at that, 500cc. Single carb. Indicators. Beautiful bike. Oh, here's the latest AJS here, 125. Bilston. No, I like my bike. Desert Scrambler. Different engine to mine. Probably more horsepower, a bit faster perhaps. Oh, this old motor's been thumping away for quite a while now. I don't know what it is, can't see no name on it. Le Mans, France. Leon.
Don't stop, it's gentle drive.
Well, if anybody knows what exact model it is. Yeah, Kent Rock. Sorry. Now, I've had a few Hondas. There's Yamaha. I've got the Yamaha engine AJS. Oh, there's what killed the motorbike industry in this country. BSA Triumph and everybody else. The Honda, I think it's a Honda Bentley, one of the first in. They looked a bit oriental, but they killed us off. You've got overhead cams, probably a 5-speed box, enclosed chain. They're bolted together and they didn't leak oil. Well, that's the bike. What killed our industries. Was it built and designed properly? Oh, nice little similar bike to mine. Honda 125 Scrambler bike. Like that. Big Suzuki. And on my left as I walk by, Scott. The old big 2-stroke twin-cylinder engines. They were supposed to be well engineered in their day, Valosets. This one's got a long stroke. I think this one, the back's a 500, yes. 500. It's a square engine, bore and stroke the same. Whereas this one's got a long stroke. So for an old British bike to have a square engine, bore and stroke the same, it would have been a bit of a revver, but well built by Valoset. They were good engineers. Look at this for a complicated machine like no other. It's a Motor Guzzi. Wow. Oh, AJS. I went to the AJS stand, but no little tiddlers. They sort of frown on the Chinese AJS's. So I've not joined their club. Well, it's even got a trailer in this ankle. 2 ankles, there's one behind it. Wow. Tourists, they're tourists. All 3 here are tourists. All MZ. I had one of them, 250 MZ. Well, I'm off now. I do a show as well, so there's a bloke not going out on the road. Matchless. Westerham Flyer signing out. Bye bye.